Hi, it's Grace.
Emily.
We're with the Bolingbrook Area Chamber of Commerce. We're here to give you a down and dirty quick tutorial on how to have a successful vendor booth experience at any upcoming chamber event. We have a vendor booth right here. The first and most important thing is that you want to be present. You want to be upright and out loud, so don't slouch. Emily is sitting up very nicely. And better yet, don't be afraid to walk away from the table. Talk to people as they approach, because people are shy. They're just gonna avoid making eye contact with you. They will. Your best bet is to just reel them in. Explain that you have tchotchkes, you have stuff. We have stuff. Tissue. Candy, always a good way to get the kids to your table. We have, what is that? Oh, Band-Aids and pens. Always have more than just pens. Everybody has pens. We also have some of our chamber books. That's one thing you can pass around. When you pass something out and it's visible, other people will see it and say, ooh, where did you get that? I want that. And then direct them to our booth. Also, if possible, have a tablecloth. This is, of course, a branded tablecloth. We bring this to all our chamber events. If you don't, at least try and have a table covering, because the table that you'll be given will probably be quite ugly. Also, if possible, create levels so that it's not all just flat. Just this simple level draws attention to this. We want people to sign up for our QR code. There you go. Any event you do for the chamber will be fun. You'll meet a lot of people, whether you're vending at State of the Village or Taste of Bolingbrook. Come on out and support the chamber and meet everybody in town. If you want to do B2B, that would be the State of the Village. If you want as many people as possible to see you, that would be Taste of Bolingbrook. Give it a try and step out of your box.